Welcome back to the channel. What have we got ourselves into today? Well, today the dishwasher seems to have stopped before its cycle was finished, so we're going to come over to the electrical panel and take a little quick peek. So I'll flip you on. Here is the electrical panel in the den, and we're going to come in a little closer. We're going to open this up, and we're going to see this breaker right here, see, is not fully on. It's actually been tripped. Now, if somebody tries to turn this on, you can't just try to push it to turn on. That's a basic rookie mistake that people make. What you need to do is you need to completely turn it off, right? And then you need to turn it back on. You'll hear a click. There we go. That breaker's back on again, and it's going to be functioning just fine. That's a little tip. If you like what you saw, press like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.